So after clearing out the shed, I found this headlight restoration kit. I thought that I could put it to good use. It comes with a cloth, headlight abrasive polish, a clear sealant. It comes with a bunch of sandpaper discs that range from 800 to 3000 grit, and a small drill attachment for the discs and polishing pad. The car in question is going to be Donkey, the workhorse. As you can see that over the years, the lights have oxidized, gone very yellow and cloudy. So to start with, set up the drill with the sandpaper attachment wheel. And starting with the 800 grit and water, start to wet sand the headlight lens. The only real important thing to watch out for is staying in one location for too long. Just try to keep the lens lubricated with water and keep moving around. I put some more water in an empty spray bottle just to help reapplication. And it's just a case of rinse it off, wipe away the residue and increase the grit. Keep doing this until you're at the final stage, and then change to the polish and change the drill attachment to the soft buffing pad. So here's a little comparison of a finished lens and one waiting to be done. And you can tell the difference is rather striking. So a quick repeat of the other lens, and this is the finished product. So 1 year later, and you can see where the headlights are at the moment. There is a very slight bit of yellowing coming back on top of the driver's side lens, but it still looks a lot better than what they were. I was really impressed with this kit and I highly recommend using it, so I'll have a link to it down below. Thanks for watching, see you in a bit.